Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn the use of some and any and how these are used in a sentence so that you can speak English fluently. So first some. Listen, students, a sum is used with the plural form of countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. Countable nouns that can be counted, and uncountable nouns that cannot be counted. Okay, countable nouns like a chair we can count, but milk or water, this cannot be counted. It's impossible to count, so that's why milk, rice, water, these belong to uncountable noun. So some can be used for countable nouns and for uncountable noun also. As an example, some pens. Before pens you can use some, and pen we can count, so that's why it is countable noun. Pen, some pens. So how can you use this in a sentence? Suppose that I gave my friend some pens. I gave my friend some pens. Otherwise, you can use she has bought some pens. She has bought some pens means he went to market and bought some pens. Okay, so in this case we can use some. And for uncountable noun also it can be used. Some can be used. Some water. Okay, some water. I need some water to drink. I need some water to drink. Okay, so next, some is used in positive sentences. Positive sentence and negative sentence. Okay, suppose I like it. This is positive sentence. This is positive sentence. And if you say I don't like it, then it will be negative sentence. negative, negative sentence. So positive sentence. So in negative sentence you will find not. In positive sentence you will not find here like not, never, none. You will not find here. So some is used in positive sentences also. So as an example, I did some exercises. I did some exercises. Okay, this is positive. You will say I. If you will say didn't I didn't do, then any you have to use any exercises. I didn't do any any exercises. So any is used for negative sentence, but some is used for positive sentence. That's why you will not find here any not. Then more apart from this, some can be used for in offering sentence. For offer, for offering we have to use, we can use some. Okay, so like, would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? This is offer. Means suppose any relative came to your home and you are offering for tea. You want to serve your relatives with tea. Then you can use this sentence that would you like some tea? Would you like some coffee? Would you like some sandwiches? Would you like some bread? So in this case, in this way you can use this some for offering sentences. Next, some can be used in request also. In a request, how? Could you give me some advice? Some advice. Could you give me some advice? This is request. Okay. Suppose you are in trouble, you don't have any idea what to do. You desperately needs any advice from somebody. At that moment, you can use this sentence that could you give me some advice? Otherwise, uh, could you help me to clean the room? Could you help me to push the tree? These things, uh, in this way, you can use some in a request. Okay, so you have already learned that some can be used for countable and uncountable nouns. Some can be used some we can use in positive sentences. Some can be used for offering and for request. Next, any dot I have given dot dot means, and the same you can use means any can be used for countable nouns like any pens, or uncountable nouns any water, because pen is countable noun, water is uncountable noun. So uh, here you can use, so like some you can use any also in the case of countable noun and uncountable noun. Next, any is used in question. To ask question or to make question, you have to use any. How? Is there any milk in the fridge? Is a question. Is there any milk in the fridge? Besides this, more example you can use that, uh, is there anyone in the room? Is there anybody in the room, or is there any animals in the jungle? So this is question. So any is used to make question. It is used for negative sentence also. I told you negative sentence, that negative means you will find not, never, does not, did not. These things you will find in the sentence. These are negative sentence. So this is any is used in negative sentences, like there is not any milk in the fridge. This is a question, this is an answer, that is there any milk in the fridge. This is used to make question, and this is used as negative sentence. There isn't any milk in the fridge. You can say that there isn't any people in the room. You can say uh, there isn't any duck there isn't any ducks in the pond. In this way, you can speak English by using this two determinants, some and any, for your daily life. In your daily life, in your daily speaking, you can use this uh, some and any by making sentences. Okay, thank you.